So we got Michelle taking out a loan of $12,000. The unpaid balance on the loan has an interest rate of 4.3% compounded annually, so once per year. The loan is going to be repaid in payments of $1,500 made at the end of each year. Find how many years it will take to repay the loan. Calculate the total amount that has been paid in amortizing the loan. So how much did you pay altogether? All right, so present value, $12,000. Interest rate, 4.3, compounded once per year. Payment is $1,500. Future value is 0 if we're going to pay this loan back all the way. And then it says, how long will it take? All right, so how long will it take? So, apps, finance, see it. Okay, so we don't know what the N is. The interest rate is 4.3. The present value is negative 12,000. The payment is negative 1,500. The future value needs to be 0. Payments per year is 1. It's at the end, so everything there is good. So let's see if this works. If not, I have one change on there. All right, so it gives me negative, so that's not going to work. So the payment is going to be 1,500. Okay, so you got to think about the directions the money is going here. So they're giving me $12,000, so that's going to be a negative to the bank. All right, and then I'm paying $1,500. So if I think about it in terms of me, I'm getting $12,000. I'm paying $1,500. It's going to give me the same end value. Also, is 10.0138 years. So 10.0138 years, which means it's going to take me 11 years like that, okay, to pay in full. My last payment won't be $1,500, all right, but more than likely what would happen is you would pay 10 years and your last payment would be $1,500 plus 10 extra bucks or something, okay, because that's how loans typically work. Calculate the total amount that has been paid in amortizing the loan, meaning how much money did you pay for this loan? So you paid $1,500 for 10 years, basically. So you paid $15,000. You got $12,000, which means you paid $3,000 extra. All right, so the bank made $3,000 by giving you this loan that you paid back over time. B says the loan is to be amortized over 5 years. Find the annual payment made at the end of each year. Calculate the total amount that has made this loan. So the present value is still $12,000. This time N is 5. The interest rate is still 4.3. The K is still 1. The future value is still 0 because you're paying it all back. So it wants to know what's the payment. And this is the most likely thing to ask you about a loan like this is what would your payment be? Because that's typically you borrow an amount of money, you know the rate, you know how long, and you figure out what to do there. So N is 5, interest rate still 4.3, present value is that, payment I don't know, future value is 0, and those are both 1. So now I'm going to go to payment, and I'm going to hit alpha, enter. So I'm going to have to pay $27.18.28. $27.18.28 is how much I'm going to pay. And the second part says, how much is it going to cost to amortize this loan? That means I'm paying that 5 times. All right, so I'm paying that 5 times. So how much did I pay? I'm going to quit out of there. So 27.18.28 times 5. So $13,591.40. $13,591.40. I got $12,000 at the beginning. So $1,591.40 is what the bank makes for loaning me that money.